The Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs, have been the foundation of the nation's progress for decades. The 23 IITs established across the country have become pillars of a developed India, prosperous India, and the Make in India vision. In the past decade, 70,000 new seats have been added for students in IITs. Continuing this journey with new momentum, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the expansion of 8 IIT campuses with an investment of over 11,000 crore rupees. This project will provide 12,000 additional students the opportunity to study at these premier institutions. As part of this expansion, new academic blocks, hostels, sports complexes, campuses, and smart buildings are being developed, along with state-of-the-art research parks at a total cost of 800 crore rupees. These research parks will cover an area of 1,20,000 square meters, serving as an extraordinary bridge between industry and academia. Through this initiative, major companies and research institutions will be able to establish their research labs and units within the IIT campuses. In addition, to enhance the quality of technical education in the states, a new initiative titled Multidisciplinary Education and Research Improvement in Technical Education is being launched with an investment of 4,200 crore rupees. This program will help prepare the youth for future technological challenges by improving education standards across the states. Under this project, 275 engineering and polytechnic institutes across different states will be developed as model institutions.